Hi guys, welcome to step one of creating your YouTube channel. The first thing you're going to need is a Gmail account. Now you may already have one of these, in which case you can use that if you want to, but I prefer to set up a new Gmail account for a new channel. So here we go. The first thing we need to do is open our browser. So as you can see here, I've opened Google Chrome, and there are two ways of getting to Gmail from this point. We can either click on the Gmail link at the top right of the screen, or we can type in Gmail here and it'll take us to Gmail here. So we click on the link and we get to this page. Some of you may get a different page that is just a white screen and it says sign in to Google or just sign in. But you will see on the bottom right of that page, there is a link there for create an account. So that's what we want to do. And if you have this screen like me, then I'm going to go to create an account, click on that, and I'm going to select for my personal use. And then it'll take us to this screen to create a Google account. Now we should all be on the same screen by this point. It shouldn't make any difference what screen we had previously. Okay, so create a Google account. So it asks for first name. So I'm going to select Nia there. And then it asks for last name, but this is optional. So I'm going to leave that blank. It's up to you if you want to put in your last name. And then we go to next and click on that. And it will take us to basic information. So it's asking for our birthday and gender. And if you're over 40 like me, talking about our birth dates isn't exactly a popular thing. It's not something we want to share with people, but Google want to know. So we have no option but to enter it. Okay, so month, select your month there and your day of birth and your year of birth. Okay, it then asks you for gender. So we have options here, female, male, rather not say, or custom. Custom, you can enter whatever gender you are there. I'm going to just put it on female and then click next. Choose your Gmail address. So it's given us some examples of what we can have. All these numbers I would never remember, because as soon as you're past 40, especially as a woman, memory for numbers isn't great. Well, for me anyway. I don't know about you. If you feel the same, message me in the comments and we'll share some stories. Okay, so I don't want either of those. I want to create my own Gmail address. So I'm going to click on create own Gmail address. So I would like learn with nia@gmail.com. So I've entered that there and let's see if it's available. So click on next. And lo and behold, it's already taken. Okay, disappointing, but not the end of the world. Okay, so we have options. We can put numbers on the end of it, or we could put a number in the middle of it. They don't accept dashes or exclamations or any other marks like that. Because I'm making lessons for over 40s, I'm going to put learn with Nia 40@gmail.com. Now let's see if that works. And yes, it does. Okay, now it's asking for a password. It says create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So I'm going to do that. Make it something you remember, or if you've got a password app on your computer, you can let it select a strong password for you and just remember it. But I prefer to put in my own password, something that I'll remember. Okay. So enter your password. And then confirm it, put it in again. And if it's not the same, it will tell you. Okay, if you want to show the password, you just tick there and it'll show you the password. And then click next. Oh, my passwords didn't match. Okay, this is a problem again. 40 plus, come on. We know what we like, don't we? Right, I'll try again. So, okay, try again. And next. Oh, this is promising. And here we are. Okay, it's asking for a recovery email. So if you do have another email address, then enter it here. Because if you forget your password or anything, then it'll send a code to your recovery email. So it's important to put that in. So I put that in and I'm going to press next. And then it asks me to review my account info. Okay. So I'm Nia, learnwithnia40@gmail.com. Next. Okay, it's asking now to choose our settings. So we can select choose in one step, make a single choice that applies to all settings, or choose in 4 steps, make step-by-step choices for each setting. I'm going to select choose in 4 steps because I want to see what the options are. Okay, so I'm going to click next. For more personalized experiences, save your web and app activity. Okay, so we've got some options here. Keep until I delete manually. Keep history for 18 months. Don't save web and app activity in my account. Well, it's okay. I don't mind that so much. So I'll choose keep history for 18 months because I probably won't need it for longer than that. So I'll select that. And then I'll click next. For more tailored YouTube recommendations, save your YouTube history. Okay, I'm going to want to do this. So choose whether to save YouTube history. Keep until I delete manually. It says keep activity for 36 months or don't save YouTube history in my account. I want to keep the history because I want to know what I've watched. I may want to go back and watch a video again. So I'd like to keep until I delete manually. Okay. And then we click on next. For more tailored ads, turn on personalized ads. Okay, so choose whether to turn on personalized ads. Show me personalized ads. Tailors the ads you see based on your activity and other data and let you block advertisers or ad topics you're not interested in. Okay, show me generic ads. You will still see ads, but they won't be personalized. Instead, they'll be based on general factors like the time of day, general location, and content of the page you're looking at. Okay. I'm going to click on show me personalized ads because it's going to give me ads that I'm more interested in. Sometimes when you've got generic ads switched on, you get random stuff and things you're really not interested in. And that gets on my nerves more than seeing ads that I am kind of interested in. So I'm going to show personalized ads. I'm going to select that and then click next. Get occasional privacy reminders. Choose whether you want occasional reminders to take a privacy checkup and review key privacy settings. Okay, privacy reminders. Yes, I will, because I do like to check settings. It's up to you if you want to do that. Okay, and then I'm going to click next. Okay, when you've selected everything you need to select, it'll tell you a bit about cookies there, and then we can confirm. Then we've got privacy and terms, lots of information there which you can read through. You should read through, but let's face it, most of us don't. Okay, I'm happy with that. I've got other Gmail accounts. I'm not worried about anything, so I'm going to click I agree. And here we go. Ooh, internet is slow today. Okay, so here we go. It's asking us to allow smart features in Gmail, chat and Meet to use your data. Okay, do we want to continue with smart features or do we want to turn them off? It's up to you. I turn them on because I like the filtering options. I like smart search. I like smart compose. I like all of those things. If you're not bothered with them, then you can turn them off there. But if you are happy to continue, then just press next. Personalize other Google products with your Gmail chat and Meet data. So we can either personalize other Google products. Google can help you with assistant reminders of your bills, maps displaying restaurant reservations, maps. That's up to you if you want to do that. I'm not going to bother with that. I'm going to use limited versions of other Google products because I don't want my phone pinging constantly with different reminders. If you like that, then please select the top option. Okay, and then I'm going to click done. Yes, I'm turning them off. So it's just checking that I do want to turn it off. Yes, turn off features. Okay. Your account settings have changed. You need to reload Gmail. So we'll reload. And here we go. So now that we're in Gmail, we have our new Gmail account. You can get started with Gmail. You can customize your inbox, change profile image, import contacts and mail, and get Gmail for mobile there. So we've got our first email here, which says, Nia, finished setting up your new Google account. So let's click on that. Okay. So, hi Nia, that's me. Welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps and services. Here are a few tips to get you started. So we've got get the most of your Google account. We'll send you personalized tips, news and recommendations from Google. I'll say yes, keep me updated there. And what happens? We open in a new window. Okay. So we choose our communication preferences. So I'm subscribed. Okay. I'm happy with that. Let's close that tab. Stay in the know with the Google app. I don't want to do that. More from Google for Android, for iOS. Confirm options are right for you. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're sorted. So I'll go back to my inbox. We can customize our inbox. We'll have a look at that. We can customize the layout, the default, comfortable, compact. I'm leaving it on default. I've never needed to change that. Theme, there are themes that we can view. So we have some themes here that we can choose. I'm going to choose what inspires me. Nice woodland. I'm going to go for the lake. Okay, so you click on that, load the theme, and we can save it. So there's our theme. Okay, and there's a nice relaxing lake in the background. Okay, so there we go. We've set up our Gmail account. We can now send and receive emails from Gmail. All you do to send an email, we can compose an email and then we send there. Okay. Your messages will show up here when you get new messages. So your Gmail account is now set up. Okay, so our Gmail account is set up. So now if we want to sign out, just click on the initial at the top of the screen. As you can now probably guess, the sound quality has changed. This was because the battery in my little lavalier microphone decided to run out just before I finished recording the video. But all I wanted to say at the end of this video is thanks for watching and look out for step 2, which will be using Canva to create a logo and banner for your new YouTube channel. So watch out for that. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications. It'll let you know when that new video is out. So see you in the next one.